तो शुरू करें आज की प्रैक्टिस। तुम्हें अभी तुरंत जाना होगा। यू विल हैव टू लीव राइट नाउ। यह किताब तुम्हारे किसी काम की नहीं है। दिस बुक इज ऑफ नो यूज टू यू। ये किताबें मेरी हैं, वे किताबें तुम्हारी हैं। These books are mine, those are yours. हम एक दूसरे के यहाँ आते जाते नहीं हैं। We are not in visiting terms. हमारे बीच बातचीत नहीं है। We don't talk to each other. We don't talk to each other. मैंने उसके साथ क्या गलत किया है? What wrong have I done to him? मैं आपका हमेशा एहसानमंद रहूंगा। I will always be indebted to you. वहां जाना ठीक नहीं है। It is not worthwhile going there. मैं तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा। I will not spare you. I will not spare you. तुम्हें जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। You don't need to leave. You don't need to leave. मुझे अपना करियर बनाने दो। Let me make my career. Let me make my career. तुम मेरा पीछा क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you following me? Why are you following me? चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं वहां नहीं जाऊंगा या जाऊंगी। Come what may, I will not go there. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं उससे कभी बात नहीं करूंगा या करूंगी। Come what may, I will never talk to her. मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है। I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. तुम समझते क्या हो खुद को? What do you think you are? What do you think you are? चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं उससे कभी बात नहीं करूंगा। Come what may, I will never talk to her. आपसे यह उम्मीद नहीं थी। I did not expect it from you. I did not expect it from you. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं यह काम नहीं करूंगा। Come what may, I will not do this work. मैं अब थोड़ा आराम करने जा रहा हूँ या जा रही हूँ। I am going to take some rest now. क्या आप दोहरा सकते हैं? Can you repeat? Can you repeat? तुम्हारी आवाज बहुत अच्छी है। Your voice is pretty nice. Your voice is pretty nice. वो अपनी बात से मुकर गया। He went behind his words. He went behind his words. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो गए हो। You have become very rude. You have become very rude. मुझे वापस फोन करना मत भूलना। Don't fail to call me back. Don't fail to call me back. गरीबों की सहायता की जानी चाहिए। The poor should be helped. The poor should be helped. काश तुम यहाँ होते। I wish you were here. I wish you were here. मैं तुम्हारे बिना उदास महसूस करता हूँ। I feel sad without you. I feel sad without you. उन्होंने तो पानी तक नहीं पूछा। They did not even ask for water. They did not even ask for water. मैं तुम्हें बहुत याद करता हूँ। I miss you badly. I miss you badly. मैं तुम्हारे बिना अधूरा हूँ। I am half a heart without you. I am half a heart without you. मुझे तुम्हारी जरूरत है। I need you. I need you. जो हो रहा है होने दो। Let happen whatever is going on. Let happen whatever is going on. जो कर रहा है उसे करने दो। Let him do what he is doing. Let him do what he is doing. जो बोल रही है उसे बोलने दो. Let her speak what she is speaking. Let her speak what she is speaking. जो तुम देख रहे हो मुझे भी देखने दो. Let me also watch what you are watching. हाँ, मैं गहरी नींद सोया. Yes, I had a sound sleep. Yes, I had a sound sleep. आपको अच्छी नींद आई? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? उठने का समय हो गया है. It's time to get up. It's time to get up. जो तुम पढ़ रहे हो मुझे भी पढ़ने दो. Let me also read what you are reading. नाश्ते में क्या है? What's for breakfast? नाश्ते में क्या है? What's for breakfast? मुझे तैयार होना है. I need to get ready. I need to get ready. वह अपनी अमीरी का पूरा फायदा उठाता है. He makes the most of his richness. यहाँ कैसे आना हुआ? What bring to here? What brings to here? मैंने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा है? What wrong have I done to you? What wrong have I done to you? जो हो रहा है होने दो. Let happen whatever is going on. Let happen whatever is going on. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की पर सब बेकार. I tried a lot but all in vain. उसे किसके साथ भेजा गया? Whom was he sent with? Whom was he sent with? भगवान जाने कब भ्रष्टाचार कम होगा. God knows when the corruption will reduce. तुम मेरी कमजोरी का पूरा फायदा उठाते हो. You make the most of my weakness. क्या बारिश होने वाली है? Is it going to rain? Is it going to rain? भगवान जाने वह कहाँ है. God knows where he is. या God knows where she is. कुल मिलाकर कितना हुआ? How much altogether? How much altogether? तुम्हें अपनी गलती मान लेनी चाहिए. You should confess your fault. You should confess your fault. वहां जाना ठीक नहीं है. It is not worthwhile going there. It is not worthwhile going there. अब कैसा लग रहा है? How do you feel now? अब कैसा लग रहा है? How do you feel now? भगवान जाने तुम कब सुधरोगे. God knows when you will change. God knows when you will change. मुझे 8 बजे तक निकलना है. I have to leave by 8 a.m. I have to leave by 8 a.m. जुबान फिसल गई. It was a slip of tongue. It was a slip of tongue. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.